In this video, we'll show you a step-by-step process to get access to the newest Instagram update, whether those are cool new filters, enhanced messaging features, or other exciting updates. Just watch this video until the end. If the first solution doesn't work for you, the second solution certainly will. Let's exit the Instagram app and then go over to your App Store if you are an iPhone user, or the Google Play Store if you are using an Android phone. When you open this, simply search for Instagram, and then find the app in the search results. You're gonna see a update button right here, so just click on it and then wait a couple of minutes until the latest version of Instagram is downloaded and installed onto your device. After this step, you will get the latest update with all of the features and functions which Instagram offers. But if there isn't an update button anywhere on this page, and you see the open option, just like I'm seeing right here, then that means that you already have the latest version of Instagram. But don't worry, because I have another solution for you. For the second method, you want to exit this and open the settings on your phone. Now, if you are an Android user, simply find the Apps section on this page, then find Instagram and open the app settings. You should see a clear cache option, so tap on that option, and that's going to clear the cache files and all the unnecessary data which your Instagram app may have. And after you clear the cache, just uninstall the app and then reinstall it from your Google Play Store. But for iPhone users, go over to the General Settings. After that, find the iPhone Storage option, and that is going to open a list of all the different applications which are installed on your iOS device. Open Instagram from the list, and then click on this Offload App option. This is going to clear the cache for your Instagram app. It will remove some data files which you don't need, and it will potentially remove the glitches and bugs which your application may have that's causing you not to see those latest features and functions. After your app offloads, click on the reinstall option and wait for the app to be downloaded and force updated to the latest version. Don't worry, this won't log you out of your Instagram accounts. It will just refresh the app, and it will get you the newest Instagram update. Everything else will stay the same. After these two steps, you should have all of the latest features on Instagram, and you'll have the latest update. But if you still don't see the option you're looking for after offloading the app, then that means that the specific feature isn't available for your country or region yet. You see, Instagram releases some functions for some regions at first, and for some regions at a later time. So if you don't have the function, you'll simply have to wait a little bit more until you get that specific update. Just make sure you go to your App Store or the Google Play Store regularly and update the app. And that's it for this video, everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.